Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a trading workstation works step by step. A trading workstation is a professional setup used by traders to watch markets, analyze price movement, place orders, and manage risk from one system. It usually includes trading software, live data feeds, charts, order tools, portfolio windows, and sometimes multiple monitors so the user can follow many market activities at the same time. First, the user logs in and opens the trading workspace. As soon as access is granted, the workstation loads market windows, trading panels, and analysis tools. This gives the trader a central place to monitor financial markets and prepare for trading activity. Next, the workstation shows market watch lists. In other words, the trader can view selected stocks, forex pairs, indices, commodities, or other assets in real time. The screen usually displays live prices, percentage changes, volume, and other key figures so the user can quickly identify what is moving. After that, the trader analyzes charts and data. For example, the workstation may display candlestick charts, technical indicators, news panels, and market summaries. This helps the trader study trends, spot opportunities, and understand whether market conditions may support a buy or sell decision. Then, the trader checks the order book. This section shows bid prices, ask prices, quantities, and market depth. As a result, the user can see buying and selling interest in the market and better understand how liquid the asset is before placing a trade. Once the analysis is complete, the trader places a buy or sell order. At this stage, the user enters the quantity, price, and order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. The workstation makes this process fast and organized. Afterwards, the system sends the order to the broker or exchange electronically. The workstation acts like a bridge between the trader and the financial market, making sure the order is routed properly for processing and execution. When the order is matched in the market, the trade is executed and confirmed. Immediately, the workstation updates the order status, filled quantity, execution price, and trade details. Because of this, the trader can know exactly what happened without delay. Finally, the workstation helps the user monitor portfolio performance and risk. It shows positions, profit and loss, alerts, exposure, account activity, and risk controls. Therefore, the trader can not only place trades, but also manage open positions carefully and make adjustments when needed. Overall, a trading workstation works as a complete trading environment that combines live market data, analysis tools, order execution, and portfolio monitoring in one place. Because of this, it helps traders make faster, more informed, and more confident decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.